How to enable or disable background app refresh over Wi-Fi only on iPhone. So if you want your iPhone to only refresh the background data while using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data on your phone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to enable or disable background app refresh over Wi-Fi only on iPhone 12 series is go to your iPhone settings. And then on the settings page, you will just want to scroll down the settings page like this, and then click on general. Then under general, scroll down, locate background app refresh, and then click on it. Once you selected that, come to background app refresh and click on it. Then here select WAV file. Then once you selected WAV file under background app refresh, then you can now exit the page. Now your iPhone apps no longer refresh when you are on mobile data. Then for it to refresh in the background section of your iPhone, you need to turn on Wi-Fi. And once done on Wi-Fi, then the background app refresh will be activated. So that is basically how to easily turn on background app refresh over Wi-Fi only on iPhone. To disable it again, just go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, click on general, scroll down the page, locate background app refresh, then click on background app refresh. Once you click on that, can either shows off or Wi-Fi and mobile data. In order not to turn off your background app refresh completely, just use Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then it's going to use Wi-Fi and mobile data whenever you have any of these available to refresh apps in your background session. To turn it off, just select off, and then you are good to go. So that is basically how to enable or disable background app refresh over Wi-Fi only on iPhone 12. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.